In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com features efficiently. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will help you navigate through its many features. Let's get started. First, head to the Monday.com website and ensure you're on the home page. This is where you'll start your exploration. To do this, you simply visit the website using your web browser, and if you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should see the Home option on your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the main dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your activities. Next, locate the My Work section. This area is particularly important as it aggregates all the tasks, assignments, and responsibilities assigned to you. It's a great place to begin your day, setting your priorities straight. Moving on, you'll notice a More button. Clicking here will give you additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. It's designed for easy navigation, allowing you to quickly jump to lesser used features without cluttering your workspace. Now let's head over to the Favorites section. This is where you can store all your preferred boards and tasks for quick access. If you're frequently revisiting a particular set of tasks, adding them here will save you a lot of time. The next step is to visit the main workspace. This is where all the primary activities and projects occur. Think of this as your primary office space where you can collaborate with team members, manage projects, and track progress. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with the plus icon. This is typically used for adding new tasks, boards, or other elements to your workspace. It's your go-to button whenever you want to expand your activities within the platform. Keeping an eye on updates is crucial, so find the bell icon. This represents your notifications, a handy tool that keeps you informed about any changes or updates that require your attention. In the same vein, the update feed is where you can view conversations and updates related to different tasks or projects. It's a centralized communications thread that keeps you in the loop. If you're working with a team, you might occasionally need to invite members. This can be done directly through the platform, allowing you to bring in new collaborators or team members. Exploring the marketplace allows you to find additional apps or tools that can integrate with Monday.com, enhancing its baseline functionality. Furthermore, if automation excites you, head over to the Autopilot Hub. Here, you can set up automated workflows and streamline repetitive tasks. Search Everything is your solution for quickly finding items. Whether it's a task, an update, or a member, this search bar is your best friend for instant navigation. Need assistance? The Help section offers tutorials, FAQs, and contact support options to guide you through any difficulties. The Monday Vibe is a light-hearted feature that brings a bit of personality to your workspace. It's a fun way to start your day with positive energy. Switching products within Monday.com is made simple with the Product Switcher, allowing seamless transitions between different product lines. Finally, keep your profile updated by clicking on the profile icon. This is where you manage your personal settings and preferences within the platform. And there you have it. By familiarizing yourself with these features, you'll become a proficient Monday.com user capable of managing your projects and tasks with ease. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!